Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to check recently download and install apps on your iPhone iOS 26 and provide full guide. So simply open your settings, press on general and go to your software update. Make sure to update your iOS 26. I'm already updated my iOS 26. So go back and go to your app library, showing it to recently added, showing it to recently download and install apps, and the another way, open App Store, click on to profile, press on apps, and showing it to recently download and install apps, date and time. So these are most recently download these apps, showing it to date. Okay, so this is fast installed apps. Okay, and this is a most recent installed apps. So that's it.